You render it at the back. We'll start with 330. Now, when you apply the 330, it has to be ganyan. Cotton-like or fluffy ang effect niya. Pabilog, pa-curve, pa ganon. Like that. Okay. And then our 823. 823. 823 will be rendered. This will be the darker parts. Okay, there. And you are going to blend. You are going to blend. Okay? Yan sinasabi ko. Kapag ang blender medyo nagamit sa iba and you haven't wiped it, ganyan ang nangyayari. Nag-stain. So you actually have to clean every time. So, ang effect niyan is like, we have a light and dark na clouds. Pag medyo napadami yung dark ninyo, parts, nagiging siya makulimlim. Parang uulan. So, wag nyo masyadong damihan. Okay? Baka kumulog at kumidlat pa yan. Now, why are we rendering it at the back? Why are we rendering it at the back? Because at the front part, we are going to render yung effect ng clear glass. So, parang ang effect niyan yung last time, di ba? You still remember yung front wall nung natin? Kasi nakikita yung glass sa likod. I mean, yung cloud sa likod. So, what we are going to do is to render yung effect ng clear glass. How did we render our clear glass? We rendered it with di ba? With 330-823, 330 CO3 and our white pencil, di ba? So, ganun din ang gagawin natin dito. This time, we will render clear glass sa harap. So, at random, we do streaks 330 first. Okay, and then we add CO3. Now, you are going to blend that CO3. Do not leave it like that. Okay, blend. Okay? And then your white pencil. Okay? So, yung effect niyan parang ganyan. With the white pencil. Then you render this whatever. Can be aluminum na white or gray or what. Bahala na kayo. Okay? Next.